In this really quick video guide, we're going to see how we can download free photos and videos from Pexels really fast, really easy. So first thing, of course, we're going to start by searching Pexels on Google, and then let's get inside. So you can see all the information right here. And the owner is Canva, which is a really interesting website also that lets you modify and edit, create your composition and your graphic design using these online tools. So let's go first into Pexels, and I've just changed it into English language, but usually it's going to appear in the language that you use in your browser. So I can translate this page anytime. So basically, we can type here anything we want to search. So if I want to search like a city, for example, Rome, I can just press enter, and that's going to show me like the pictures of Rome right here. And I can see the photos, how many photos are there, a lot of photos and videos also. So if you want to switch from photos to videos, you can also do it up here. So if I click videos here and then press enter again, do another search, it's going to show me the videos. So if I want, then I can check them in a preview right here, or I can open them up in another page, and that goes also for the photos. So if I click here, it's going to show me this video with a higher quality. Now I'm just going to press pause here. And if you go here, you can download it. You can also collect and like. You can create an account. And here you have see the information about the license, which is basically free to use. And that's going to be the title. And here I can download it with different size. So like Full HD or HD, SD, and so on. So this goes for the videos. So let me just go back. Let me go to the photos. And let's do another search. There you go. So I can scroll down. I can see all the pictures here, like eating pasta and you know, characteristics. So if I want to see here a little bit, pizza, and you see here I can edit this in Canva. So if I click on this button, it's going to bring me into Canva, and I can continue from there. Now, if you're interested, you will find a video course in Canva in the channel that you can see. And Canva is essentially similar to software like Photoshop, where it's extremely simplified, so it's really fast and easy to learn and to use. But it's raster graphics and vector graphics and just graphic design. So again, also here I can download, I can choose the original size 2K and then large, medium, small, or you can also choose a custom size for this if you need to place it like in a particular composition. And you can also thank the author, you can donate the authors, you can um, also, if you want, check the license more carefully to see what is permitted and what is not permitted right here. You can also upload your own pictures, your own photos in the platform and participate yourself, and perhaps publish your work, make yourself known. And well, that's basically it. It's a really simple guide. And if we want to continue with Canva, just check the Canva video course in the channel, and also check the other courses and guides that you have in the channel. And we also publish other guides, so you can subscribe to stay updated. You can also support us and thank us by joining the channel as a supporter. Now, if you're interested, you can again investigate more on what is allowed and what is not allowed. So what you can do with the license here from Pexels. And again, if you want to create your own area, your own space in Pexels, you can do it joining and then uploading your work. And that's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide, and make sure you check our channel because we have a lot of courses in a lot of areas like 3D, video, photography, and much more. So thanks, and see you in the next video.